Hello, hello, hello. How you doing, people? We are back again in business after ages. Yes, guys, literally after ages, I'm back again, shooting this video, right? Preparing another bait for YouTube to ban my channel completely.
Okay.
And yes, we didn't really quite post for a long time, and there is a reason for this.
I'm not interested यार मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है
So today, what we are doing is we are searching for a DLL, which is wdrvr.dll download, right? So it's quite simple. Just type, right? You just have to literally type this on any internet browser, right? Not specifically Chrome. So yep. So you will after you type it, you will see this website PC on Life, where this file is available.
अच्छा
You just have to click any of this link, right? Just click on the first link, then it will say that's this, blah, blah, blah. Then there will be a capture which says W6BX and C. Okay. Then you have to click on download wdrvr.dll. This DLL is very important if you are running softwares like CNC Train or something like that, because if you are downloading those softwares as a crack, then you definitely will be missing this DLL, right? Or maybe it might be available with the package that you got as a crack, but that might be broken, or it might be like, what can I say? Like it can be corrupted. So, anyways, you can download it from here, right? You can click on keep. Now, after you have downloaded it, just click on show in folder. I already tried it before, that's why you can see two of these. So let's delete this one, the previous one, and rename it again, right? The name is very important. So yes, the software is going to just search for the name, and it's not going to see that it is one or two. So yep. Now after you have changed the name or renamed it properly, so what you are going to do, you are going to copy it. Well, I should have done it with Control C, but just to be just to make it visible, I did that. Now, after you have copied it, there is a very interesting activity that you can do, or you can skip 10-15 seconds. Just search on internet that where are all DLL files located. So it says that they are located in C Windows System 32 folder, right? So we'll head right to that folder. Let me show you from the starting. C drive, Windows, and System 32, right? So here you can find all the DLLs that are there, right? So if you just paste that DLL, continue, right? So according to internet, this should work because all the DLLs apparently are inside this folder only. So if any software is going to search for DLLs, it should search here, and like we have pasted the DLL here, so it must find it. But the catch here is that that's not true, right? Let's see this. So I downloaded this software, CNC Train. Will not obviously purchase the subscription, right? So if you click here, it will say that the code execution cannot proceed because this damn DLL was not found. Well, how is that possible? I just pasted it and it's right here in front of my eyes. But the thing is, since the architecture of this system is 64-bit, I have to paste it in this folder as well. So after I have pasted it here, let me show you. After I have pasted it here, I'll click it and it will run. There you go. See, it's that simple. So that's it, right? That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed and if you just got the solution for your problem, then make sure to hit that like button. If you are finding this channel for the first time and it's kind of useful for you, then you can hit that subscribe button as well. Ta-da, see you.